Welcome to Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch in beautiful McCammon, Idaho. Here you can experience the thrill of wagon rides, getting up close to these majestic creatures, and even feeding them. There are no absolutes to garden. There are many ways. I offer you some ideas to help get started in your own garden dream. My name is Keenan, and I'm a professional gardener by trade. I want to help you garden step by step, present a variety of farming industries for inspiration, and help you find resources and supplies for your own garden needs. Be it in the soil, container, water, or air, I believe you can grow anywhere. Let's garden. Now, let's explore what makes Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch truly special. Not only is it a place to experience the wonder of bison up close, but it's also home to some fascinating stories.
Straight over a 5-foot grass fence.
Did you know some of the bison here were featured in Kevin Costner's hit series Yellowstone? How cool is that? It's one of the many ways this ranch has made its mark. Rob and Jenny Perkins' journey into bison ranching has been years in the making. Fueled by Rob's passion for these majestic animals, and creating a space where people can connect with nature and sustainable farming. If you're planning to get up close to these gentle giants, there are some important safety tips to keep in mind. Here's Jenny Perkins to explain.
Okay, so we do have a couple of rules. Our very first rule, please do not stand on the seats. And that's our first rule. The second rule, everybody who comes here wants to pet them right here on the top of their head. Want to be petted on the top of their head? Do we pet them? No, there's no petting. Okay? How can we do this safely here? That's good. That's good. We're contained, but also we're high. Right? So y'all stand up to feed them, and you're the more dominant species of the moment. Right? You're bigger than them. So it's expectation.
Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch isn't just about the experience. It's also about premium bison meat. The bison are grass-fed and the meat is free from hormones and antibiotics. Available in bulk, families can enjoy tender steaks, flavorful burgers, and hearty cuts like ribeye and sirloin. It's healthy, delicious, and raised naturally and sustainably right here in McCammon, Idaho. Look at that tender sirloin steak. Perfect for grilling. And those burgers, a family favorite for sure. Bison meat is lean, high in protein, and full of rich flavor. If you've never tried it, this is your chance to experience something special. Looking for a place to stay that offers a unique ranch experience? The Airbnb here at Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch lets you immerse yourself in the beauty of Idaho's countryside. Wake up to stunning views, enjoy wagon rides, and feed the bison right outside your door. It's cozy, scenic, and the perfect place to enjoy ranch life. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a family vacation, you'll leave with memories to last a lifetime. Visit Diamond P Grassroots Bison Ranch for an unforgettable experience in premium bison meat. Support local and savor the difference. Whether you're here for the meat, the memories, or the majestic bison, this is a destination you won't forget.